Okay, I'm on row 5 of the Sakura pattern and I've done my border, so I'm ready to start the pattern. So the first stitch, knit 1, then knit 2 together, yarn over. So that means when I'm on a knit stitch, I'm going to bring the yarn around to the front of my work like that, and then a knit 1, so you can see there the yarn crosses over the right hand needle and forms the yarn over. Knit 1, another yarn over, and SSK, so this creates that lean in my stitch work there. So for an SSK we slip 2 stitches off the left needle onto the right needle, and then I'm going to knit into the back of those 2 stitches. So normally you'd be going into the front of them, but for the SSK we're knitting into the back, and that's creating the yarn over where we brought the yarn round to the front. And off. So we've done the SSK, and then we'll do that again. So knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, so we bring the yarn around to the front. The next stitch is a knit, so we're going across the needle and knitting to form the yarn over. Next, another yarn over, so bring the yarn around to the front. SSK, so slip the next 2 stitches knitwise off the left needle onto the right, and then I put the left needle into the front, which in effect means we're knitting into the back of those 2 stitches, and that's our SSK. And we carry on to the end of the row. Now I'm on row 6, which is row 5 and 6 where we do our pattern work. So on row 6, which is the wrong side, the purl side, the first part is an SSP. So to do an SSP, I slip those 2 stitches off the left needle onto the right needle, and then slip them back. So in effect that actually turns them around so that we've got them back facing rather than forward facing, those 2 stitches, and then we purl into the backs of those 2. So it's a little bit trickier than a SSK, and then purl, and then off. So we'll show you that again in a minute. And then we're doing a yarn over as our next stitch, and because we're on the purl side of our work, so our yarn's already at the front, we're going to wrap that right round back to the purl position for a yarn over on the purl side. Purl the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over again on the purl side, so we're going to wrap that right round our right needle, purl 2 together. Okay, and then we are back to SSP. So again, slip those 2 stitches off knitwise, and then slip them back purlwise, and then purl into the back of those 2. So up through as if we're going to purl, and that's an SSP. I might just do that one more time so you can see it more clearly. So the next one is a yarn over on our purl side, so wrap it right round, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, purl 2 together, and then we're back at the start of our pattern work, so SSP. So we're going to slip those 2 off knitwise, slip them back purlwise, and purl into the back of those 2 stitches like so, and that's our SSP. So if I turn to the front of our work, so it creates the Sakura pattern that you can see there.